Good morning students, myself Ranjan Verma and today I am going to teach you class 9 computer subject. First of all, you know that your computer syllabus. Computer is categorized into two parts. First is theoretical part and second is practical part. Theory consists of 50 marks and practical consists of 50 marks. In theory chapter, there are mainly two categories. First is called part A and part B. Part A consists of your employability skills and part B include vocational skills. Part B has 5 units and each unit have 4 different segments. And today I am going to start part B, unit 1 and chapter number first, that is called communication skill. So let's start. In first unit, communication skill, session 1. Topic name is communication cycle. So what is communication? Communication is the process of transferring or sharing information between two or more people. In this definition, you are familiar that communication means to sharing their ideas and thought to each other. So definition is communication is the process of transferring or sharing what type of information between two or more people. In next, effective communication. Effective communication. And effective communication is a communication between two or more people where the intent message is successfully delivered received and understood. So there are two differences between communication and effective communication. Communication means simply we communicate to each other. Communication is the process of sharing their ideas and thoughts from one person to another person. But effective communication says that effective communication, it means that communication must be between two or more people but easily understood by each other. So basically there are difference between communication and effective communication. Communication means suppose I share something from one person to another person, but I am not sure that other person can easily understand by my thoughts. So that is called communication. And effective communication means मैं जो भी कुछ बोल रहा हूँ आप इजीली अच्छे से समझ रहे हैं, उसको इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन कहा जाता है. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, फीचर्स ऑफ इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन. व्हाट आर द बेसिक फीचर्स ऑफ इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन? Features. features of effective communication. First point, effective communication is the meaningful process, is a meaningful process. Second feature is that a message should be clear. Third feature is listening to others is very important. So these are the features of the effective communication. Next process. Now here is the impact of the effective communication. Impact of the effective communication. First, it encourages group discussion. Effective communication से क्या होता है, ग्रुप डिस्कशंस में हेल्प मिलता है. सेकेंड, इट हेल्प द बिल्डिंग रिलेशनशिप अदर्स. एक दूसरे से रिलेशनशिप कैसा रखना है, इसमें जो है इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन हेल्प्स करता है. थर्ड, इट हेल्प इन द हैंडलिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मीन्स वाद विवाद. अगर किसी से कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो, मतभेद हो, तो उसको हैंडल करने में इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव होता है. नेक्स्ट, बैरियर्स ऑफ इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशंस. क्या क्या इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशंस आने में क्या क्या बाधा हो सकती है, उसके बारे में जानते हैं. फर्स्ट इज कॉल्ड द इन्वायरमेंटल बैरियर्स. इन्वायरमेंटल बैरियर्स लाइक द पुअर लाइटनिंग. अगर रूम में लाइटनिंग जो है पुअर हो, तो हो सकता है कि आपस में कम्युनिकेशन करने में प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे. सेकेंड बैरियर, सिचुएशनल बैरियर. सिचुएशनल बैरियर्स मीन्स डिस्टेंस बिटवीन वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन, या क्रिएटिंग नॉइज. अगर ज़्यादा नॉइज होगा तो इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन उसमें कारगर रहेगा. एंड इंडिविजुअल बैरियर्स लाइक दैट एज. अगर 10 साल का बच्चा अगर 50 साल से अगर आपस में बात करता है, इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन करता है, तो हो सकता है उसमें जो है इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशंस नहीं हो. वहाँ पे एज फैक्टर करता है एंड जेंडर भी फैक्टर्स करता है. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन साइकिल. व्हाट आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन साइकिल? In communication, there are basically 6 steps. First is called sender. The sender, that is called the individual who want to send the messages. Messages encoded idea sent by the sender. Message क्या भेजना चाहता है sender? That is called message. Encoding. Encoding is the process of the translating his idea into the format, any format. जो आपने आइडिया सोचा है, जो कम्युनिकेशन का आइडिया सोचा है, उसको आप कैसे ट्रांसलेट करते हैं, उसको कैसे लिखते हैं. कम्युनिकेशन चैनल मीन्स आप ओरल में बोलना चाहते हैं या रिटन में देना चाहते हैं. रिसीवर इज द पर्सन हु रिसीव द मैसेजेस एंड डिकोडिंग इज द लास्ट स्टेप. डिकोडिंग इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिलीवरिंग द मीनिंग ऑफ द आइडियाज. सो दीज आर बेसिकली एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन साइकिल्स. नाउ कम टू द पेज नंबर 15, fill in the blanks. The first question, without dash the sender cannot confirm it the receiver has interpreted the message directly. What was the answer? First, fill in the blanks. First answer is called feedback. Second, environmental. Third is called communication channel. Fourth, receiver. And fifth, listening. In part B, answer the following question. The first question is what is communication? I think you can do it. What are the features of effective communication? I have already told you. List any 2 barriers of effective communication. Effective communications में 2 ऐसी क्या बाधा है, उसका आंसर आपको लिखना है. And question number 4, Siddharth is preparing for his first campaign speech. Advise them what the possible barriers to effective communication and how can he avoid them. तो सिद्धार्थ जो है अपना एक कैंपेन जो है स्पीच चलाना चाहता है, तो आपको बताना है जो उसको क्या क्या बाधा हो सकती है और उस बाधा को वो कैसे दूर कर सकता है. So this is the question. Part B is the homework part. You can do it and submit it. Thank you.